Busy learning Stop the Strain by John Mayer. Yo, it's hard. The first part isn't that hard. I'm getting the first part right. But there is one chord that John Mayer plays and I just cannot do it. So that high chord, this one. That one. John Mayer, further along in the song, he plays it with his thumb on the G, while he's got that chord going. In the song you can hear the open B as well, while he's got the thumb there, and it's impossible. There was a guy that said they listened to the song with a music professor, and the music professor said that it has to be two guitars that played that. But then John Mayer posted a video where he played it so effortlessly. He's just got huge hands, I guess.